Welcome, health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of papaya, the tropical powerhouse packed with goodness. Before we unveil the incredible benefits and unknown facts about this exotic fruit, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all things wellness. Rich in enzymes, papaya is loaded with enzymes like papain, aiding digestion and promoting a healthy gut. Immune boosting, packed with vitamin C, papaya strengthens your immune system to ward off illnesses. Anti-inflammatory properties, the fruit contains enzymes and compounds that help reduce inflammation in the body. Heart health support, papaya's high fiber and potassium content contribute to a healthy heart by regulating blood pressure. Skin radiance, beta-carotene in papaya promotes glowing skin and may protect against sun damage. Aids in weight loss, low in calories and high in fiber, papaya makes for a satisfying, nutritious snack. Eases menstrual pain, papaya's anti-inflammatory effects may help alleviate menstrual cramps. Vision protection, the fruit's rich vitamin A content supports eye health and may prevent age-related macular degeneration. Natural detoxifier, papaya contains enzymes that aid in the detoxification of the liver. Anti-aging benefits, the antioxidants in papaya combat free radicals, reducing the signs of aging. Hair growth stimulant, the vitamin A and other nutrients in papaya contribute to healthy hair growth. Cancer prevention, some studies suggest that papaya's antioxidant properties may help prevent certain types of cancers. Improved digestive health, papaya's enzymes can ease digestive issues like constipation and bloating. Bone health support, the combination of vitamin K and calcium in papaya promotes strong and healthy bones. Natural stress buster, the nutrients in papaya, including vitamin C, help combat stress and anxiety. Anti-diabetic effects, some compounds in papaya may help regulate blood sugar levels. Enhances wound healing, vitamin C and other nutrients aid in the body's natural healing process. Balances hormones, compounds in papaya may help balance hormones in the body. Boosts male fertility, antioxidants in papaya may contribute to improved sperm quality. Tropical delight for mental health, the sweet taste of papaya can have mood-lifting effects, promoting mental well-being. There you have it, 20 incredible benefits and unknown facts about papaya. If you found this information as fascinating as we did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.